Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to publish your Lovable app on the App Store. First, open your project on Lovable AI. When you work in Lovable, the platform builds a web app. That means your project is not an iOS app yet. To publish it on the App Store, we need to convert this web app into an actual iOS application. For that, we will use a service called Median.co. Go to your Lovable project and click on Publish. When you click this button, Lovable will show you a link. This link is the web URL of your app. Copy this link because we will use it in the next step. Now go to Median.co. On the homepage, you will see a place where you can enter a website URL. Paste the link you copied from your Lovable project. After pasting the link, Median.co will start building your iOS app automatically. This process wraps your web app inside a native iOS container so it can run on iPhones like a real app downloaded from the App Store. When the build is complete, Median.co will give you an option to download the IPA file. The IPA file is the actual iOS app file that you will upload to Apple. Download it to your computer and keep it safe. To publish this app, you must have an active Apple developer account. If you do not have one, go to the Apple developer website and create an account. You will need to enroll in the paid program. After that, you will need to use Apple tools like App Store Connect and Transporter to upload your IPA file, add your app details, set your screenshots, choose your category, and follow the review steps that Apple requires. Once you complete those steps, Apple will review your app and publish it on the App Store when it is approved. Thanks for watching.